Hello, so today we're going to talk about beauty standard in Saudi Arabia. So I will show the picture. So beauty standard in Saudi Arabia are influenced by culture and religion and traditional. Saudi Arabia is an Islamic country, so modesty is very important. Many women wear as abaya, which is a long back robe, and some also wear a hijab that cover the face. Because of these people often focus on facial feature, especially the eyes. Big expressive eye with the long eyelash are considered by very beautiful. Fair, smooth skin is also important beauty standard for women. Many women use skincare products to keep their skin clear and healthy. In recent years, makeup has become very popular, especially eye makeup because the, the eyes are the most visible part of the face. For men, beauty standards usually include being tall, having a strong body, and having a well-groomed beard. A clean and neat appearance is important for both men and women. However, beauty standards in Saudi Arabia are changing with social media and global influence. Many young people are influenced by Western beauty trends. Cosmetic surgery is also becoming more common. So, thank you.